To launch this exercise, the work of okunyonyola, okusomesa, to sensitize our people must be the leading effort of you, the cadres. I want you this time, you, the chairman, and all the other people, to be machokari, to be machowazi, to be vigilant. Anybody committing fraud, he will have to go to jail. 7 years. This is because, like what I've been hearing, that a registration officer can refuse to register NRM members because he suspects that they support Dombo instead of supporting the other one. And you refuse to register them. Or you register opposition people so that you allow the opposition to infiltrate our register. This in law is called fraud.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.